greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you beautiful souls. First of all, thank you for being part of my community today. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to all my subscribers. For those who are watching this that haven't come to subscribe yet, please come and click the subscribe button and you'll see my other social media feeds right here. So last night I made a little video, and at the end of that video I showed you a little bit of an update on the crypto space and where we're at. So today's video I'm going to do a little bit more newsy stuff, and you can just have a look. But basically this video is for fellow South Africans who can come to valor.com, and you'll find my link in that video for a tutorial on how to set up your Valor account. And then basically this is part 1. I'm going to do part 2 for that video, and I will then upload that video so that you guys can see exactly how to get in with even the minimum of 10 Rand into your Valor account. So come over here, watch that video. You guys are going to absolutely love it. So enjoy every moment there. But right now, let's get straight into all of the Bitcoin news and the crypto news I'd like to share with you, and I'd like to show you that breaking, this was literally just released. Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein on Wednesday said that the company was deeply disappointed and vehemently disagree with the SEC's decision to deny their application. So Grayscale are going to launch a legal challenge to the Bitcoin spot ETF rejection against the SEC. So now that's a number of cases that the SEC have got against them, excluding the one from Ripple, of course, is a very, very big case where the SEC is trying to obviously control the crypto space and make one rule book for all cryptos, but there are different categories of cryptos that perform different functions in the economy. So that's not going to work, SEC. Gary Gensler, get your stuff right, man. That's what you were put in that position to do, is to look out for the interest of the protection of institutions and communities like myself. So please just do your job properly. Okay. So basically, if you can see here, after 8 years of dumping billions of XRP, Jed McCaleb's stack runs out in a couple of weeks. So basically, Jed McCaleb is one of the founders of XRP, and basically he's been dumping Ripple for a number of months, 2021, which actually led to which is perhaps leading to a further downside weakness in the price. But I'm gonna look, he's had in Ripple worth 26 remains balance. Now he's been dumping a number of months. Okay, he's got huge followers. He's doing his open in the on the oh man, you can his wallet action online. Okay, and this is going to show us that we are obviously looking at an incredible gap here, where from 2018 to 2019 the restrictions would apply to a number of tokens instead of limiting his maximum allowed offloading to 1 billion per year. From 2020 and beyond, the amount was further raised to 2 billion per year. So as you can see here, there's a bit of a gap in 21 where he wasn't actually releasing or selling any of his Ripple. Now all of a sudden he's starting to offload his Ripple, and it seems as though he's got literally just a few weeks left of selling out his Ripple. So who knows what's going to the Ripple price, but basically if you come here and you look at Ripple and what's going on in Ripple, basically Ripple are saying that if they lose the against the SEC, then what they're going to do is they're going to pull out of the US and they will then continue to do business across the rest of the world. Now, what effect will that have on Ripple? According to some of the founders of Ripple, actually most of their business lies outside the American borders or the US borders. So America would lose big time if they couldn't get this right with Ripple, because Ripple will be able to replace the SWIFT coding from banks and make banking a whole lot easier for the institutions. So it's a big story. It's got a lot of traction going to it. You know, you can see with the SEC filings that Grayscale are busy putting towards taking legal action against the SEC. A number of other cryptocurrencies are soon also going to start taking that same action, because the SEC is trying to file them down into a very, very narrow line of regulation, and that doesn't work across the board of crypto. Bitcoin has its specifics, Ethereum has its specifics, Ethereum is DeFi, NFTs have their specifics. So what they're doing is not the right approaches, and this is why controlling this part of the sector, they should be giving guidelines as to how the sector should be running, and communities in the crypto space should be building their own securities exchange forum so that they can run and operate crypto in a very specific and proper manner that is affected, that it doesn't allow for rug pulls, and that would then consult with the actual SEC to run and operate crypto under correct financial regulatory systems. So Bitcoin is clinging to 20K as analysts warn of a long bumpy ride for the foreseeable future. So we already know that crypto is probably going to come down. I'll show you some charts now. It's going to come down for the next couple weeks to months, and we could and should probably start to see an uprise again around September, October, November, somewhere between those lines. We should start to see a little bit of momentum back up. So it's time to refocus on crypto infrastructure. So if crypto isn't pumping and making people money, and this is from CoinShares CSO, Multum Demiros, I hope I said that right. But basically, we need to develop Web3. If we can develop Web3, this will be the future of internet and banking. So much so that you would be able to walk around with your cell phone, do your own thing, carry on, and never face problems. So Bitcoin is holding 20K as ECB warns inflation may never return to pre-COVID lows. So that's very interesting, because what's going on in the ECB as well as the USA is obviously interest rates are rising. The ECB announced that between now and September, they will have a number of 0.25 basis points rate hikes. And that is obviously going to cause some more shakeups in the market, and a lot of fun and beautiful energy to be seen. But obviously there's going to be huge capitulation for the next few months, and perhaps a little slow grind down, and that's going to obviously make things a little bit more concerning for the crypto space. But that's for the short term. That's all the noise, that's all the FUD, that's all the stuff that's just creating emotional instability in the market. Okay, and the markets are the ones that lead the space. So what you want to see is the market starting to stabilize and look for a place of capitulation, and then you will see that over a long period of time that your portfolio will grow exponentially. So governments, enterprise, gaming, who will drive the next crypto bull run? Well, we already know that Bitcoin and Ethereum make up for the majority of the market cap in crypto. Let's come have a look here. So Bitcoin makes 1% and Ethereum makes up 14%. So that means that in total, these two make up basically 65% of the total market cap of the crypto space. Market cap is sitting at 930 billion, okay, which means that 35% of that just up to 1 billion, and basically the rest of the billion. So the total amount of investment with the crypto space, and as you can see, people are trying to see liquidity in other projects that are extremely discounted right now. And if we come over, and we can see that Let's just go and look at Polkadot. This is one pure example. Polkadot and Solana. Okay, let's go and have a quiz at these, so we can just look at these on the time frame. Oh no, why aren't you coming up? Why aren't you coming up? Okay, anyways, let's just click on Polkadot, perhaps. Why are you not working? Okay. Anyways, so basically, obviously, I've got now load shedding officially, so that's not going to help anyway whatsoever. So I think I can at least show you the rest of the video in terms of the chart. So basically, what we're seeing here now, I said to you guys yesterday that if we couldn't get back above these ribbons, we wouldn't be going anywhere above the ribbons. And have a look at that in my video that I shared with you guys yesterday. That is this video. Come and have a look and see what it says. I actually even said it on this video, and I've been saying it for some time now. So this little candle here, even though there's not much volume, it will again the ribbon. The ribbons are starting to open up again under the top of this purple box, and right now for me it seems like we're going to just slide down this little line here. That's for me what we're going to do. We might then slide down this little line, have a little bit of a spike, and pull immediate back down, because nothing goes down like just falls out of the sky. Well, it can, and that's the where the saying comes from, don't try to catch falling knives. So very, very interesting vibes, very, very interesting energy in this crypto space. But as you can see, we've been in capitulation mode for like 2 days again right now, and we're waiting for something to obviously come out. But if you can see here, this is the same thing happening in Ethereum. As I said to you, the dollar is moving up, and you can see that here. So we're meeting these lines. We're expecting to see some more downside in the space, and that's all in a little nutshell. And at the end of the day, you know how to invest safely and securely. And as you can see, the Nasdaq much fell down a little bit here, but we've got to just be very close here, because obviously Bitcoin being the highest dominance, 41% of the market space, you could see that this basically could end up, even if it drew down 50% to my 9,975 level, then that would obviously lead to a pretty strong reversal from that point onwards, is what I would say. So anyways, as you can see, my internet's off officially over here. The power's down. I've got to go switch on the generator, and really kickstart my day with Synergy Organics. So thank you very much for that. Thank you for my tonic. Appreciate it. And as you can see, we're officially sub 20,000 today. So that's not a good sign for Bitcoin, but let's see what happens. Please remember to come like, subscribe, and share the video. Subscribe to my channel. And please hit that notification bell so that you get notices whenever I make these awesome and cool videos for you, my beautiful community. Love you lots. Take care and have a beautiful day from me and the All Things Health and Well Show.